The Secretary of State for Health should have been fired for at least 15, 20 things, including
Cummings
lying.
stated that not only was the Prime Minister unfit for his role, he said Hancock had repeatedly lied and their ineptitude was the reason for thousands of deaths that could have been avoided.
Lying to everybody in multiple occasions, in meeting after meeting, in the cabinet room and publicly. I think there's no doubt at all that many senior people performed far disastrously below the standards which the country has a right to expect.
Hancock is to hold a press conference today after answering urgent questions from the opposition Labour Party. The United Kingdom has the world's fifth highest official COVID-19 toll, with nearly 128,000 deaths, a figure that is much higher than the government's initial estimate of 20,000. However, one of the more incriminating allegations from Cummings was that Hancock's statement that the government had thrown a protective ring around care homes at the start of the pandemic was nonsense.
Now, all the government rhetoric was, we put a shield around care homes and blah, blah, blah. It was complete nonsense. Quite the opposite of putting a shield around them. We sent people with COVID back to the care homes.
Prime Minister Johnson on Wednesday told Parliament that nobody could, without credit, accuse him and his government of complacency, and said that the government always worked to ensure minimum lives were lost.
He said that everyone who needed treatment, who got the treatment that they required. He knew that that was a lie, because he'd been briefed by the chief scientific advisor and the chief medical officer himself about the first peak. And we were told explicitly people did not get the treatment that they deserved. Many people were left to die in horrific circumstances.